Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah, y'all, what it do? Man, we at it again, yo. Man, we at it again. What it do? We're still from there. Man, RP my homie, yo. Harley Rider too, man. Mr. Homie. Yeah. Get him, Kobe. Get him, Kobe. All right, y'all, what we got going on? Oh, no, not yet. Nope. Nope, none of that. Nope. Yeah, man, I had to get hold on. Oh, little beezy, baby. Oh, shit. Trying to get out of here. Y'all, some updates, yo. Fucking with my Road King, but yeah, man. Had this damn engine jack. The fucking cylinder went out, and I had to buy a new one. The damn cylinder cost as much as the whole man. It's a gimmick, yo. They got me, yo. Still got my caddy. Still got the caddy out here. Yeah, man. I had 24s for it. 24s. They didn't fit the lug pattern. Yeah, man. Just hit me up, man. Y'all want to buy this? Whew. All the trim, every last little piece, everything is here. Everything. Best part about this, yeah, it's a photo. But once the windows go down, there's no pillar. It's just one big ass opening. I like that. Now that's how you do a photo. No pillar. Yeah, Cali style. It's a Dan DeVille. But yeah, man, we're going I don't know if y'all seen. We gotta get a tune, man. She just ain't running right. Man, blue thing is not running right. I did all that stuff to it, man. Once you do a bunch of stuff to your bike, exhaust, cam, lifter, intake, some other shit too. I don't know, forgot. Yeah, man, we got this LS right here. This LS, just getting it together. This LS right here is going on my 83 low rider. Take a quick little look at it, man. Tell me what the video's about, though. Let's keep that low. Everything's still going. I'm gonna have to weld the engine mounts onto the frame because the holes ain't lining up. So I'm gonna try my best. Beautiful day in Cali. We're waiting for this tropical storm to come through. Yeah, I heard it. Tropical storm. That's what we're doing now. Yeah. Man, look at Becky's bags. Look at that. And a lot of that's because the muffler. See, the muffler ain't got no. The exhaust ain't got no muffler. I got a muffler coming from 528. So that should take care of all this nasty dust. Man, it's a bitch when you got speakers, man, because you see all these fucking wires? All these damn wires. This is all music. All this shit is music. Screaming Eagle. Ignition modules running everything because it's carbureted. But yeah, man. Look at this shit. I'm doing some maintenance on it, but look at all that dirt. This is all stuff you don't see. Should look pretty. This is all stuff you don't see. Ooh, cone caliper. I'm a brake pads. Oh, they're good still. Okay. Okay, it's still good. This one looks like it's wearing out more than over there. I gotta be careful. Yeah, give me time to clean all this shit up. But yeah, the reason I took it off is because this. Oh, tire look brand new, right? As you can see, tire thread is awesome and all that. But of course, when I'm cleaning my bike, I'm always inspecting it, man. I ain't going out. I've been down a few times. Watch some other videos. You'll see what happened to me. But as you can see, hold on. So I'm cleaning it. I find some little diesel nizzles. Where'd it go? I'll find it right now. Probably because it's wet. Yeah, man. I'm gonna look like a liar and shit. But yeah, man, when I do maintenance, I was checking. See, as you can see, the thread is fucking deep. It's still good. But where you at? Where you at? So I can focus. See, there's a gash in there. See that gash? Oh yeah. And the good and bad thing is, some people like it, some people don't. There's an air tube in here in this tire because the width of the wire wheels. But as you can see, I'm going up to Oakland again, so there's no way. And I would have never known as I do my routine maintenance. So now I gotta go and get that changed. So we going. Luckily, hell yeah, luckily I got the means to be able to do it. I won't be down too long. I should have headed there now. Ooh, if you can get the video, yeah, calipers, change them up. This back's pretty much done. Next thing is get a new paint job. Same white, same everything, but I might do some other little white pieces, maybe a little white piece here. Maybe do a couple little accents here, there, whites, and tie everything together. The blues, I was never really able to, you probably can't tell, but you probably can tell. The sea blue is a little darker than that one. Turquoise, whatever. Teal. Yeah. Alright. But luckily I go to Motorcycle Swami all the time. And I'm at my garage, man. I got too much shit. I should block y'all. Bam. I got plenty of spare tires. Every time I go out, pick up a tire or two, because I'll be going through them. And I'd rather spend 120 for a tire than 300 on emergency, because you got no choice. But yeah, man, let's get this going. I'm going to go to the shop, change that tire, show you our little maintenance stuff, man. We saw Boo think she's down. She didn't really knock a ride, but we're on third gear, she's tripping. And then we got, I know 211 right now. She's still running strong. Now that muffler, she got a little kick down. If for some reason the muffler, I'm gonna put them there, I don't like, I'll just throw it on 211. But yeah, man, let me go on to the shop, get that tire switched out, and then I'll be right back, man. All these damn wires and shit. So that music shit, yeah, I got a gang of shit in there. I'll probably show y'all. Well, that's an 8-inch woofer. That's a cone. And of course, I got the 2 6x9s on each, and that's on each box, as you can see. Got the Coney cone, got the 8-inch woofer, and the 2 6x9s. I'm never gonna do woofers again. No, I'm never doing woofers again because it takes up all my room, man. I got a bunch of stuff to put in there, and it don't work. But since I got everything down, man, I'm gonna clean this up. Yeah, that's supposed to be chrome. It's supposed to be chrome. Yeah, get all that. I gotta tighten these up because I just threw them on, but I don't think they're gonna be able to tighten up tight enough because there's a lot of rebound when I hit bumps. And then down here you see the seat, right? See the seat? It's a big booty seat. So when my girl sit on there, it'll be more weight, and bam, that's when I hit a bump, it goes down. I gotta look up in here. I don't know. I wanna look up in here to see if it's scratching anything. See if it's scratching anything. It looks like, oh, I tore these wires up. No wonder. See, I didn't even know. I tore them fucking wires up with the tire. Oh, no wonder my lights ain't working. See? Fix that too, man. I'll get with y'all, man. If it ain't one thing, it's the other. Holla at your boy, man. It's all motivation, man. Motivation for y'all. I can do it, y'all can. Right, y'all. So it's something, yo. Okay. This tire here that I have here already, it's a little bit wider. So it looks like, if I could show y'all, it looks like if I cut here and cut some of this fender, I could get that tire to work. It's a wider one. This is a 150. And this tire is oh yeah, you little biatch. I'm telling you something. This bad boy is a, what can you go, 90. 90. So I'm gonna see if I can get that 150 in there. It looks way better too. Way better. All right, y'all, we back. Yeah. The new tire put on. Plenty of thread. Look at that. You can see. Look, plenty of thread. So since I got the wheel off, like I said, I'll put a muffler. This is gonna be the yeah. Yeah, it's gonna fit 2.5. Man, I'm gonna clean up, man. Clean her up. Get ready to put the tire back. Like I said, I gotta cut all this little trim out. As you can see right there. I cut all this little trim off. We'll do that right now. I'll let you boy. All right, y'all. Time to cut. Got my wheel ready. The whizzle nizzle. Let's see if I could so gotta cut this part off. That one off. And then trim all this. Trim that back. All the way up. Then I gotta go up in here and figure out what's happening with all this stuff. Y'all, I'll let you go, man. Put y'all on time lapse. It's all motivation. It's motivation. back on. Alright, so the shock, that's the highest, man. I don't think it's gonna be enough. It just went from here to here. So we'll see. But yeah, man, we back on, man. Tires get all that other cutting and stuff. Wasn't really necessary. I cut some of it, as you saw, and some I just pushed out, but I didn't even need to do that. But just being paranoid, as you can see, plenty of space, Geo, we back on. Yeah, screaming nigga, everything. Geo. Oh, best part. What's that? Oh, 6. Oh, got 6 speed on this old one. All the damn cables and shit. Ooh, now for the best part, it's time to go ride. Put all the stuff back on, shine her up. Put the little lipstick on the pig, and we gone. Beautiful day in the neighborhood before this tropical storm supposed to come by. I hope not. Man, I gotta put all my cars inside. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's all motivational, man. Just keeping y'all updated. Shit going crazy. My mechanic couldn't come out to help me, but I'm gonna get the engine in there. I'll give you some updates on that. With the LS. But yeah. Oh, Beck, you ready? You ready? We ready? Oh, 211, man. I'll buy a new cover. Look at this shit. The 211, she stay ready. Ready for that action. All right, hopefully this video is good enough. Oh, look at that. Look at my dunk. I know it ain't no dunk, but that's what we call it. Cali dunk. Dunk with the badunka dunk. Look at that. No bondo nowhere. No bond. Solid car. I don't want to get rid of it, but it's for sale. Complete the elegance sedan. All this video's good enough and slap your mama or not.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.